Hello friends, subscribe Tricknology and press the bell icon to never miss the updates.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tricknology, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create Windows 10 bootable USB using PowerShell. So you just need to follow me and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more update. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So as you can see, I'm already copied Windows 10 ISO file on my desktop under Windows 10 folder. So if you don't know how to download or where to download this Windows 10 ISO, then I have already made a video on this topic. So check out on my video description. I will give you that link. So after copy this Windows 10 ISO on your computer, you have to go to your start menu and type here PowerShell. And after open the PowerShell, you have to right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. So now click on yes. So as you can see, here's my PowerShell window. So now you have to copy few command over there. So I will give you that command on my video description. So first of all, you need to copy this first command over there and click on enter from your keyboard. So as you can see, here is my pen drive. It's showing 15 GB, near about 15 GB. So if you have a 2 pen drive or more than 2 pen drive, then all the pen drive will be showing on there. So you have to select your pen drive which you want to create a bootable pen drive. So you have to select that pen drive and click on OK. And now as you can see, it's running. So don't do anything over there. Just wait for a few minutes. So it's done, as you can see. So now what you have to do, just go to your my computer, and now you have to copy the second command over there. So before copy this second command, you have to change this direction. So here is my ISO file, as you can see. So right click over there and click on properties. Now copy this location from here and paste it on this image path. Okay, and after that press slash from your keyboard, and now you have to copy this name Windows 10 ISO.iso over there. So now it's done. So after that you have to copy this command and paste it on your PowerShell. Now click on enter from your keyboard. So it's done. So now you have to put the last command over there, this command. So now as you can see, the operation is started. So it will take some time, so you have to wait for a few minutes, so near about 30 to 1 hour. It depends on your processor and RAM speed and your pen drive transfer speed. So after that you will get a screen like this. So you have to go to your my computer, and as you can see, here is my USB pen drive and it's showing bootable. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and bell button. And if you really like this video, then click on that like button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.